today's learning question says, can I apply my knowledge of money? So this week you've been focusing on money, and today we're going to be answering some problem solving and reasoning questions using our knowledge of money. So our first question says, Faye has these coins in her pocket. Does she have enough money to buy a watch that costs £14.63? Convince me. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to underline that amount, because I know we need to make that amount of money. So I'm going to start with a £10. I can see that. So we've got £10, add £2, which is £12. I'm going to put a little tick on the ones that I've done. So £12. I know if I add these two together, that's another £1. So that's £13. And then £13.20. £13.40, £13.60, £13.80, £14. I might even write that there so I don't forget where I got up to. £14. So then I've got £14.20, £14.30, £14.40. Again, I'm going to write that down so I don't lose where I got to. £14.40. £14.42, £14.44, £14.45. So, does Faye have enough money to buy something that's £14.63? No, she doesn't, because the total amount that she's got is £14.45. Have a look at another one then. So Teresa and Harding are converting 107 pence into pounds and pence. They say, so Teresa says, I think 407 pence equals £40 and 7 pence. And Harding thinks that 407 pence is £4 and 7 pence. Who is correct? So I'm going to start by working out how much this is in pounds and pence. Now I know that 100 pennies equals £1. So if I've got 400 pennies, 400 pence, I know that that's going to be £4. So I know it's £4. And then I've got 7 pence left. And there's my 7 pence. Remembering to write that 0 there, because without that 0 it would be £4.70, which is a completely different amount. So I know that Harding is correct, and we can explain why, because 407 pence, so 400 equals £4. And the 7 pence stays the same, and if we add them together it's £4 and 7 pence. Your last one for today then. Azra has 4 different coins in her purse: a £1 coin, a 50 pence, and then 2 other coins that we don't know the value of. And it says how much money could be in the purse. Write down 3 possible answers. So now we've got to think of 2 other coins that we could put in that purse. So if I've got £1 and 50 pence, I've got £1.50. I'm going to add a 1p, £1.51, and then I'm going to add a 2p, £1.53. So pound sign, £1.53. And this time if we write it just in pence, so I know £1 equals 100 pennies, so that's going to be 153 pence. Okay, so now let's pick 2 different coins. So I've still got the £1 and the 50, so that's £1.50. Then this time I'm going to add a 10p and a 5p. So £1.50 add 10p is £1.60. And then £1.60 add a 5 pence is £1.65. So again, write that down, £1.65. convert that to just pence is 165 pence. And then one more, so let's think of a different coin we can add. So £1.50, I might add another pound, so that's £2.50, and then I might add a 20p. So that would be £1.50, add £1 is £2.50, add 20 more pence is £2.70. And then if I write that in pence, £1 is 100 pennies, so £2 is 200, and then add the 70. Okay. So all of your activities today are asking you to answer some missing coin problems or some true or false statements.